Olá and welcome to Daily Portuguese.
This is podcast about Portuguese language and Portuguese culture.
Season A1, episode 25, Comparisons.
I am recording.
Great. Because today's episode is about...
Portuguese. It's about Portuguese and Portuguese stuff with Portuguese people and non-Portuguese people. So today we are going to talk about comparisons.
Yay!
So excited.
We need more of comparison in this world.
Yeah, we do. We need to know who's the best
Yeah.
and who sucks. So we make it very well.
Yes.
So, yeah. Well, this is a small subject. This is a fast one. And as before, in the end, you'll have the small board with explanation or examples.
Yeah, but we have to talk about it because there are very three important exceptions that are used on a daily basis and usually cause troubles for Portuguese learners.
Especially the ones that come from Spanish.
Yeah.
So, yeah, we are going to talk about those stuff and also to give people the structure. Because this has a structure, how to compare.
Yeah.
There's a structure.
So, if you are going to compare, just make it like a pro.
Yeah, not only trying to people to feel bad about the comparisons, but
just...
grammatically correct.
Okay, I have idea for title of this video. Compare like a pro.
Okay, cool. I thought compare like your mother. That would be the title of this episode, but okay. Okay, moving forward. So we have three ways of making comparisons. Superioridade, superiority. Igualdade, equality. Inferioridade, inferiority. Okay? So, mais do que, which means more than, superiority. Tão como, as much as, equality.
Yeah, and how you write
T-A-O,
A-O.
and this accent between on top of A and O.
Yes,
Till.
but when it's typed,
On the first letter.
it's above A.
Yeah.
And in the written language, it's
By hand
A-O.
is AO. Yeah. Menos do que, less than, inferiority. Okay. Until now, everything is
Yes.
clear. So, I'm going to talk, and I'm going to make mistakes in English, just to explain this. So, for example, eu sou mais alto do que tu. I am more tall than you. I know that I'm taller than you, but that's what I'm trying to explain here. I am more tall than you. Taller, I know. Tu és tão inteligente como eu. You are as intelligent. We all know that it's not true, but okay. We are as intelligent as me.
Please.
Tão inteligente como eu. And, for example, tu és menos alta do que eu. You are less tall than me.
Yes.
And I know it does not make sense because you are smaller than me. Okay? But I'm just
less tall is also smaller.
yeah, but but people don't talk like that.
Yeah, you just like to make everything big.
No, we don't like it.
Inferiority complex.
Yeah. So, first thing, menos do que the inferiority, we rarely use it. We are very positive people, so always more, always. That's why we have fado, just to depress a bit. No, and so menos do que, we rarely use it. Even if we want to compare negatively stuff, we use as much as. So,
Man,
we say that this...
how you do it?
We just say instead of saying that este livro é menos interessante do que outro, this book is less interesting than something, we say that it is not as interesting as that one. Não é tão interessante como.
Okay.
Okay?
Yeah.
Okay. Let's go to the exceptions.
Yeah.
We have three exceptions. And these are the ones that grab your pens and start taking notes. So, grande, big. We don't say more big. We say bigger. So, we don't say mais grande. We say maior. If I want to say that my house is bigger than yours, we say a minha casa é maior do que a tua. Okay? We don't say a minha casa é mais grande do que a tua. That's a mistake. That's actually a mistake that kids usually do, not adults.
Yeah, because it's out of the rules.
It is out of the norm. Yeah. Bad. We don't say more bad. We say worse. Pior. We don't say mau. from mau, we don't say mais mau, we say pior. Okay. And from bom and bem, good and well, we don't say more good. Sounds so bad. We say better, so we say melhor.
Yeah, so it might be just easier for English speakers to remember this one.
Yeah, yes, but well, actually, they have more exceptions on this one than we do.
Yeah, but what is the third one? You said
Better, good, and well. We don't say more good, more bom bem.
So good, well, and bad.
No.
That's the three exceptions.
No, good. Good and well. It's one.
Okay.
Bom e bem,
okay.
bad, and grande.
Grande. Okay.
Big.
So grande.
Mau. Bem e bom. Yeah. So we say maior, pior, melhor. Better. So bigger, worse, and better.
So grande, maior. Mau, pior. Bom, bem. Melhor.
Melhor, exactly. So if you want to say something is better, I don't know. O meu telemóvel é melhor do que o teu. My phone is better than yours.
Or as you said, it's not as good as
o teu
mine.
Telemóvel não é tão bom como o meu. Your phone is not as good as mine.
Yeah.
Okay?
Okay.
So it's quite clear.
Yeah.
I'll leave everything like in the explanation. Yeah, that's it.
Yeah, I think so.
Yeah.
That's
Cool.
Fairly easy.
Fairly easy. Well, I was not expecting that this would be an episode of 20 minutes.
It's 20 minutes?
No, I'm joking. Just 6.
Okay.
My predictions were like this will be a short episode, but with some thick, like not thick, but like with some information pack.
I would like to say hi to office friends, office fans.
That's what she said. Yeah. So if you have any questions that you'd like to put on the Q&A about Portugal, Portuguese culture, and so on.
Or life.
You know. Portugal. Yeah, questions of people.
Lucio knows everything, apparently. That's what our kids believe.
Because I told our kids, I say, I know everything. You know everything. I know everything.
And then I have to...
hard to compete.
Say that, crush their dreams, that unfortunately you don't have all the answers in the world.
No, I don't want to give him all the answers. I know everything.
Yeah.
No, but if you want to know, especially there are a lot of people that I've seen lately, I've been reading lately, a lot of people that have questions about moving to Portugal. Retirement and stuff. That's awesome.
Oh, that's my plan.
Oh, that's your plan. I'm on that plan too?
You are.
Okay, cool. So if you have any questions, just write down and see you on the next episode.
See you.
Bye.
Bye.